Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Or if it's your first time, welcome to my channel. Bienvenidos a mi canal. Bienvenidos de regreso. Today I am wearing pink because it's Wednesday, and on Wednesdays we wear pink. Except that I'm wearing this like red maroonish wine metallic lip. It's the very first time I ever put on a metallic lip, but I was testing it out because it's one of the Christmas gifts I got. So yes, I'm wearing a pink polo and some metallic lip because why not? Anyway, today I will be doing another unboxing because I got another package in the mail, and I'm really excited because these are things that I'm gonna play with and see if I can get used to it. Like I had said in my previous video, makeup has evolved so much, and so has like skincare and whatnot, so I decided to give this a try because they have little minis and then they have the regular ones, and I got this, and yeah, let's get into it. This is the box, and can you guys guess what I got in here? Little ASMR moment. Can you guess? Anyway, I got some Farsali hair products. Yes. Got the pocket knife again. So I'm always on Instagram as much as I am on Snapchat, and I keep seeing these videos. One of the first persons I saw using these products was Nabella. She's awesome and adorable, and I like how her makeup looks when she's done. She got me interested in this, and then as I kept seeing it on Instagram, I was like, you know what? Let me look into this. So a lot of their products, you know, they talk about enhancing makeup and moisturizing your face. So I went ahead and got some goodies. So let's open this bad boy up. Oh, Farsali. I think I'm saying it right. What does this say? We love to see you glow. Welcome to the Farsali fam. Thank you, Farsali. Thank you. Seriously. What the hell are they doing up there? Oh! Come on now. And there's more. Like, what are they moving? Anyway. Stop. Ah! Okay, I think we're good to go. Thank you for welcoming me, Farsali. So, similar to previous shipments I've gotten, they have the paper, which is good because it keeps things tight in there. There's no bubbles today, no bubble wrap, no poppers, but they come in their individual boxes. So, these are the 3 items I purchased because I'm trying them. I don't know how to use these. I got 2 minis and a full size. So I wish they had all of them in minis because that way I can try them in minis and see how I like them, if they're good for me, make sure I don't get a reaction, and then that way I can purchase the big ones, which is what I'm trying to do. I was able to score these 2, and because I had free shipping and I had a little coupon, I decided to get the 3rd product, and I was going for the full size. I got the Unicorn Essence here in mini. I got the Rose Gold Elixir in mini, and I got the Volcanic Elixir in full size. I wanted to get, which one was it? I wanted to get the liquid glass. The liquid glass was sold out, and then it was between this one and the I'm brain farting, guys. And the Skin Tune Blur. But why buy blur when I bought other stuff blur? So I really wanted the liquid glass, but that one was sold out. So I went with the Volcanic Elixir. The minis come in 10 milliliters, which is 0.34 fluid ounces. And this one comes in 1 fluid ounce, which is 30 mLs. These are 22. These are 54. It's awesome to try it out. So the packaging is super cute. There are different colors with the gold letters. And let's open these up. So let's go with the unicorn essence. I always have trouble opening these boxes up. So, okay. It says, this innovative solution acts as a dual-purpose serum, which infuses the skin with beneficial skin care while preparing it for layering, moisturizer, or makeup application. It contains 4 superfruit extracts, rich in antioxidants, and packed with vitamin C, which helps make the skin appear visibly younger and healthy looking. Interesting, because I'm already entering my 30s. I'm gonna need some of this. So the bottle, it's glass. Oh, I can see it now. Apply to clean face before moisturizer. May be used as a primer before makeup application. Caution, discontinue if redness or irritation, of course. Yes. So this is the little bottle. It is sealed. I'm gonna open it. Hey, these things always remind me of like baby bottles. Is that shiny? And then open it. And it's like a pink glittery formula. I'm gonna do a little drop on my hand. Give me a little drop. Oh, it's very nice. It smells interesting. It smells good. So that's the unicorn essence. Feels nice. Now we're gonna go with the rose gold elixir, 24 karat gold infused beauty oil, and this one says fast absorbing, lightweight moisturizer, infused with 24 karat gold. The base of this luxurious elixir is rosehip seed oil. Rosehip seed oil is made up of 77% fatty acids and is high in linolenic acids, vitamin C, and vitamin A, retinol, which is essential for improving the appearance of skin complexion for a healthy look. So I guess they're all about healthy, youthful skin. So here's the rose gold elixir. Also sealed. That's so beautiful. This one smells more citrusy. Oh, okay, hold on. See the little gold specks? Let's do one little drop of my hand. This one feels like a little bit more oily. I'm excited to try these on my face. So that's that one. And now we're opening the Volcanic. Oh, so this is the Volcanic. You see it's much bigger than the others. This one. Oh, this one smells funny. It doesn't smell like the other ones. The other one smells citrusy. This one has like a different smell. It's just to keep the skin looking healthy. So let's go ahead and do a drop of this one into my hand. Let's put it in the middle. Oh, this one's definitely the most oily, thickest one. Like you see, the first one, the unicorn essence, is no longer visible. This one's still there, and then this one is. This one says, made with 100% natural tamanu oil, this fast-absorbing beauty oil contains beneficial properties that are essential for improving the appearance of skin complexion for a healthy look. Tamanu oil. It says here Polynesian beauty oil. Okay. And then it says directions. Shake well before use. Applied to face and neck. Can be used day or night. So I'll start using them and later I'll include them in my videos but these are it. The Farsali products. Alrighty, that was the unboxing for that. I will be trying these out and I will be doing future videos, see how I like them, if they've been good to me, if there's any changes, and I'm going to leave their link down below in case you're interested. Go ahead and take a look, purchase. I'm not sponsored by them, not there yet, but you can definitely take a look. And if you have any suggestions, any comments, any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed my video, go ahead and give me a little thumbs up. And if you like my vibe and you want to see more, please go ahead and subscribe. And thank you very much for watching. And I hope to see you in the next video. Peace.